What's going on?
What did he do wrong?
None of your fucking concern, man. What do you mean?
This guys is just so unprofessional. We're looking out for our community and our neighbors, and this is how you fucking act and you talk to the public? None of your fucking business? Wow, what a bunch of pieces of shit. You've lost the respect of these citizens in less than a week.
I don't care about that. Where are you going? Hey,
You don't have to answer that.
okay, you got your license in the car?
We have free travel here in Canada. You can walk down the road and not be harassed by the cops, although they think differently.
You don't have to answer his question, sir. You don't have to answer his question, sir.
He does have to.
No, he doesn't.
You want comments? Film me from the sidewalk.
Fuck
You
off!
want comments? Film me from the sidewalk.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Yes, I know.
You swung at me.
You're abusing old men.
You swung at me.
That you're not a Canadian.
If I swung at you, it's on film, so you're fine. Drive
Because I couldn't the horn.
Yeah.
He's coming to hit me.
Yeah, it's called communism.
That is why you're pulled
It's
over.
called communism.
Yeah, it is called fucking communism, exactly. This isn't a socialist fucking country, and if you say it's social, it goes to communism so fucking quick.
It's communism. You don't have to show anything. You didn't do anything wrong.
I know I haven't.
You have the right of freedom, of choice.
Of
You
course.
have the right to beep your horn or whatever. Why are you doing this?
Because it's an offense.
Of
It's an
what?
offense to beep your noise.
No, it is not an offense since
It
when?
is. Tell me it's not. I have it written down that it is. It's actually an
So
offense.
you're
Right?
standing with your lying government? Your lying cop?
Driver's license.
He's right.
Okay.
Do you know that your superior is a liar and he went on the media lying?
If horns were fucking illegal, they wouldn't put them in fucking cars. Come on. Seriously. They're there to prevent accidents, too. Like, there's a reason the horn is in the car. That is bullshit.
Lying to the Canadian people? Now you're doing this?
Have me fired. Have me
What's your
fired.
name and badge number?
192, Joe.
Your corrupt chief won't fire you because he's a communist cocksucker, too, just like the rest of yous. Bunch of fucking oath breakers.
Jones.
There. You have everything you need to have me fired.
Yeah,
for
look at what they're doing to an old man.
Okay.
That's a citizen of Canada.
Shoot at the horn, you pissed off.
That's right.
That's
So
exactly
is
what
everybody
you
who lives here.
I can be a
Doesn't matter.
What about them?
This is the capital of Canada. Drop your mandates. Stand down.
I don't have
You're not doing your job. You're representing hate. You're a terrorist. You're a terrorist.
Driver's license.
I don't know why the fuck
You're representing hate. No.
Driver's license.
You're representing hate.
My lawyer.
Call your lawyer.
You'd be really
Call your lawyer. I don't
Maybe
care.
you have
Give
to
me your
suck
driver's
up the
license,
word.
insurance, registration.
You have to suck up your foot. Whatever. You're on this type, but I mean,
Okay.
because I shouldn't the horn you got type because you start flying.
That's right. He's a supporter for Canadian freedom.
Who
Who cares?
You shouldn't have.
They shouldn't live in the capital of Canada then. They better leave. Because until the mandates are ended, this is not going to stop.
What's on your license?
Yeah, if these people want to live in a communist country, go for it. There's plenty of places ruled by communism. You can go live in one of those fucking shitholes if you want to. We want to live in a free country. Where an old man can honk the horn driving down the road if he fucking pleases.
Stop harassing old men. You don't have to show them anything. It's against the law. You just... For
I'm not giving it.
what? Hey, what are you doing?
Failing to ID.
Hey! That's assault! I've got it all on video.
Failed to ID.
Yeah, he failed to ID. Get back!
Hey!
Get back! Get back! We're back. We're filming. We're doing our part. It's all on video. No, don't say anything. Don't say anything.
You're a fucking goof.
Hey, Rich, stand down. Stand down. Stand down. Rich, no, it's peaceful.
What am
No,
I
let them
Fucking
do.
attack me, you fucking goof. A fucking Sony game. Fucking not doing shit. Touch me, punk ass.
This is going right to the media. YouTube. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Yeah, you're so.
Look, they're hurting an old man. A Canadian citizen. It's communism. This is communism. He's scared. Communist.
You stand with the communist fucking government.
Call your police chief. He'll back you up.
Call the police.
Call your police chief.
Fucking arresting citizens.
Arrested an old man. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Yeah, I know he beat the horn. What the fuck do they represent? They represent Trudeau and the police chief slowly. That's what they represent. Hate, division. You are not protecting and serving nobody. Communism right here. Lest we forget. Fight for your rights. This is bullshit. Communist fucking police. What's your name and badge number, sir? What's your name and badge number, sir?
You have nothing to do with this.
What's your? Yes, I do. I'm a Canadian citizen. What is your name and badge number?
Tough guys with your fucking guns. Tough guys with your fucking guns.
You do that to the Canadian.
At one point in time, when you asked them for their name and badge number, they had to give you a card that had their name and badge number on it. When did that fucking stop?
Canadian citizens of Canada, what did we do?
Get back.
Get back.
Get back, what are you?
Get
I'm
back.
standing on the road, man.
Get
This
back.
is a free country.
Get back.
This is a
Get
free
back.
What are we doing?
Get back.
What am I doing?
Get back. You're causing a disturbance by yelling.
You caused a disturbance. You just arrested an old man.
Peace.
Go, you're causing a disturbance by yelling.
You just arrested an old man.
The peace. You want to get arrested? Get out.
Peace.
Get out.
You've sold us out to globalism. Okay. You are not working for Canada. You are working for your globalist partners. I wonder how much they're paying you to betray Canada. What do we do with traitors in Canada, Mr. Trudeau? We used to hang them for treason. And you're doing that very same thing to us now. We know what you're doing.
Much more lately. I've used 90% of my data. Oh, look, there's another cop car stopping. Oh, they got to give him assistance because there's only one person in the truck, you know? Like, he's dangerous. Well, yeah. Yeah, here we go. We got him surrounded. Yeah. I wonder what's going to happen now. Oh, look. They're backing right up to his truck. Wow.
What are you doing?
You're backing right into his car.
What are you doing?
No, you ran into his truck.
Under your seatbelt. Under your seatbelt.
He's not doing anything wrong. You gotta be joking. Hey! What do you think you're doing?
You're being watched.
Holy freak, guys! There's no need of that violence. You guys are violent. You guys are the ones who are violent, not us. He did nothing wrong. You guys are going to be on video viral. You guys will know. The world is going to know.
That's only because he's got the Trudeau finger, too. That's how they're bugging him.
on video, guys. I won't be there.
Why did they pull in the first place? They were done with him.
You really needed another officer? You couldn't have handled one. He wasn't even saying nothing to you. He wasn't even. Oh my God.
Totalitarian government. That is it. Why is the truck on this angle? I thought you were running. No, you didn't.
Yes, you did. I thought you were running into him.
You're going to be arrested for obstructing.
Why?
I don't want you to get hit by a car.
I'm not going to get hit by a car. I'm not in the middle of traffic.
In a lane that the police are occupying.
I am not in the lane.
This
was violent. This was very violent. He did nothing. I've been here for 5 minutes, and he's done nothing.
Ottawa, our capital. Welcome to Ottawa Police, our capital.
Like, seriously. He did nothing wrong. You were backing into his freaking truck. I've got it on video.
Just because you're a cop doesn't mean you're not making a mistake backing into him. He's just reacting to you not paying the fucking attention.
Got another vehicle for one person. Hey, buddy, what's your name? What are you arresting him for? What's your name?
None of your business.
Really? Oh, really?
Because this is not your business.
It is our business.
Why for his expectation of privacy?
Oh!
Okay, this is like the fourth or third cop we've seen now that won't give their name or badge number. Real professional. Makes you feel real safe.
Holy Hannah. Why is he being arrested? We got your back. I'm sending this to the organizer.
Do you think you should be allowed to move your vehicle if a cop's gonna hit it?
For one person. This is retarded. I was here. He did